Disclaimer, guys, I'm so sorry. I forgot to post on Monday. I'm so sorry. So this is to make up for Monday's video. Hey guys, so I think this is a lot better setup because it looks a lot better and there's absolutely no chance of my camera falling now. So I went to Target and picked up a few squishies and I just wanted to show them to you. So I did open them already, but I taped their packaging back up so you'll be able to see them in packaging. The first one is this Agoresco, I don't know. But it's kind of like the punk rock squishies. But it's really nice. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna cut the tape that I put on there. I don't know why I thought it was a good idea to put tape on here. Here it is. It's super soft and really squishy. And it's pretty slow rising for a store-bought squishy. Okay, next, I got almost the full collection of the Hello Kitty Squeeze Me cupcakes. Here's the first design I got, and here are all the designs you can collect. I really want this one and this one. But I don't have any of these, unfortunately. They did not have them where I was shopping. This again is very soft and squishy. And once again, pretty slow rising. And this one too, and all of these cupcakes are licensed by Sanrio. I honestly didn't think like the kind of little punk rock ones were licensed at first, but they actually are. That's exciting. Next, I got this design. It's focusing so well on these. My camera's focusing so well. The cupcake liner has like such good texture. I love it. Next is this one, which I actually didn't take out of packaging because I will be reselling. I don't know if I'll be able to resell it. Comment down below what this means. Do not backstock. I don't know what this means, but I'm hoping it doesn't mean that I can't resell it because I want to resell this one because I don't like the design that much. So I might just resell it. So I'm not taking that one out of packaging. But then we have this one. And this one I can take out of packaging. No problemo. Pull my hair back. So I'm just going to do a quick overview of the squishies I got so far. So obviously this one, I think it's kind of like a Valentine's Day theme, so it's super cute. This one, just kind of all pink except for the frosting. This one. Then, this one. Then, this one. I think this one is my favorite out of all the ones that I got. And then this is my second favorite. My third favorite. My fourth favorite. And then my fifth favorite. I don't want to say my least favorite because I feel like that's kind of negative. So I don't want to say my least favorite. It's still super cute. I just not kind of really my style. I just wanted to complete this set. but I haven't completed the set yet. So yeah, please let me know what do not backstock means. I honestly don't know. I got them at Target if that helps you find out what it means. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big, big thumbs up. And today's shout out goes to, the name should be on the screen. And today's shout out word is hashtag Hello Kitty. So comment down below hashtag Hello Kitty and hopefully you will get a shout out. So yeah. Please subscribe if you haven't already because it makes me so happy when you do. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.